Hi guys, welcome back to Merlin's YouTube channel. Today we will be talking about NMC OSCE Oral Care Plan for the Scenario Guide. But before we begin, here's a question for you. How often do you think oral care should be included in a cancer patient's care plan during the NMC OSCE? Share your thoughts in the comments below. Now let's get started. The Oral Care Plan 4 scenario in the NMC OSCE assess your ability to deliver safe, person-centered care while following the correct nursing process. In this station, you should first understand the scenario and the patient's oral health and identify any problems such as pain, dry mouth, ulcers, or difficulty swallowing. Based on this scenario, create a care plan with clear nursing interventions. This may include helping the patient maintain good oral hygiene, encouraging hydration if appropriate, using prescribed oral care products, and monitoring for any changes. Now remember to document your findings accurately. Clear documentation and patient-centered care can make a huge difference in your OSCE performance. And also we have published a detailed blog on this topic. Do check out description for the blog link. So that's all for today's video. Thanks for watching. Do not forget to like, share and subscribe to Mentor Merlin's YouTube channel for more OSCE tips and guidance. See you in the next video. Bye-bye.